Iyo funira wa service ambi cyo kunywa. Kale. Baita kabaga kanu ko beta batu baketa zera zeba
zera
zera
zera.
Okay, tuina entekanza yaitu tukatunga gaibara Julius nakira every single Wednesday tubaho antukuhereza omubwijwire kire yagambote
define
okushaba stating abaketa bata shaba staking aha ebintu bikuru bata bita wiki bayireto oku
wiki yange bayirefu I lost my best friend. My mom was sick, but of course.
Oh, you lost your best friend?
Yeah.
Akafuck.
By then around, I think she was around 28. Yeah. She had diabetes.
Diabetes?
Yeah, then she finally passed.
Nyaka ninga? Aina sukar. Diabetes new sukar. At that age?
Yeah, by fighting her she started fighting diabetes in 2022. Yeah. But since then, she never recovered yet. Karaga up. We are muka then again na mukayo.
Muisiki?
Yeah, muisiki.
Hey.
Then amazirege. Ruhanga ya mwenda.
Charlie.
Yeah. It was on Monday. She died on Monday. We buried her yesterday.
By the way, mezi ufunda iwe ederno na yampiga nanka. Hello? Hello? Hati mbaini kugamba, mbainenda kugamba. Ato kuro mana kwa gafira miaka 28. So you question yourself what is like. The other day nkakora video ni ngamba abantu. If you still have life, okutunga maka sente ka wakati
kali
and enjoy it.
Eat that money.
Hey, kali.
Yeah, eat
at
that
the end
money.
Of the day, nyobulendra miso mwana mutafuire ntegeza.
Olo mwisiki, omanyira olo mwisiki and mirege to watch like mu myaka yakuberire muko gambambo. Umanyetu abaisiki tu ni myaka ituka muno gambo mwisikoni. Now she has to start enjoying life. Ni haina kuba na pulinga in men
abaida funida abaida azaire.
Abaina abana baye babiri. She had given birth to 2 kids.
At least.
So
at least animal abaida gabaga. Abaida
gabaga. Tagabire muno.
At 28.
Ati nokugambira emyaka yayo ibeta prime years. Niho yarwalire since she fell sick. Atagaruke nyuma.
Ata abana kabazara myaka inga.
Akabazara
before 20.
What I remember, there is one she gave birth to when she had completed studying, but she was still studying around there. Because nyabaire mukuru nkoboga mukuru hali nyo, but we had that bond of friendship. We were very close. So yabaire no bwana bwa ebubiri. Obana bato they are young.
Tato omu baba tata bakoka.
Abatata baini bakana kando mwana omu ko feeling very sorry for him that asigaira ali orphan. I think
Isaka nwe banize kufu.
Oh, if you remember a guy bamutaga Junior akayateraga bisana akabaina na studio haiguru mukatale.
Utukamuzika ku miside za kiziramfumbio.
Junior. No yabera muzaire wo mwana. First born wae. So the other kid wabera sigara ina daddy wae though yati has a kid tukaba mama bano no sometimes abapushing abadadi to
hato kumisikia baina ikaranka.
Abaina ikara rusaka very many people know her.
Special no gambo musikia yakoraga na hana resort.
I don't know.
I don't know, she's the girl.
I don't know, maybe akora resort, but I don't think so.
I remember during kabano mstauna ntumubazaho.
She was called Specials.
Andoli kanibagawa ya bametaga Joyo.
All Specials. She has been staying in Lusaka there. What I know she.
But no musikio gafire recently ali mutu.
Manyira abantu bakufa mu these days.
Aro went to mira ansavunge kanje mukabuzo misikia koraga hanu yafu abamwetu
nkugambire all Specials abayatakora hanu.
Anta nakaba anyway amazeka mikarwe.
Like for 5 abanagena to 5 years when she's down.
Hey, maybe telling you. But I don't know man ondi musikia korago ba Joyo boha yakoraga nawe hanu. Yak afire ijwera baikando bagambo wakabanku banka amarogoro. So meanwhile ebyo nibikyara okyo zara mwana kileya
tinkafunira kunzara bwala baliyo kakwenda kunzara
genda street okisaje bukira kwegomba ukizalire yes I'm telling you
kale nja kuzara
gaba animal
zare kuzara when I'm 24 years ngenda kubanga ngira ntakerere ile muno
24 na is okay
24 years
24 now not bad
25 tokurora
baitu
nzale ritiriti aho bunkuba ni ona nakene
dezara nka kamobe nako by the way iyo manyire there is no joy like having your kid murura nazana aho no muhimbaho nakutalibaniza nakwiraguza
ati nyowe nkazara ira nyina abana mukaga right now
abo rugahari ba sister bawe manya bato bawe abo banzo barugeho owo sindikire kuruga mu ntumbo zawo
ijombo inegama hanu boma by the way the day when my best friend died Omukazi azalire go mwana in public abantu bonna bali yawo mwana murabire mugabura bamu
yeah it is possible ebiso bikuba bimunankire it is possible
oh Jesus appetite yokuzara kandi yasoka yanduga
it is possible ebisa manyire hati abantu describing ente ebisa nibye bija no wesanga kikusana wakarwa rogan ukahura noenda kusesema you don't control it kijampa karwesanga kozere nikyo kimune ibisaba bizire oina kuzara it is possible ogamba mpire byo kuswara manyatege kuswara abani baki
ekiberege hali Omukazi ngira
iwe do you know sagenda mu doctor na kugamba yanjuruza amaguru otarwa utainenda biki bali no hule nsoni
ati nkakugambire nyo Mukama takamperezaga ekizibu nkeke kyo kusanga doctor Mukasiko mwalimu musaiti mbasanga ona bali bakazi mundo kwasembere nyo kebeza like cervical cancer nkaba ningenda Mukasika bangapi ngenda Mukasike nimanya ngenda kusanga yo musaiti Mukama yanyamba yasanga yo Mukasi
nyo ata bakintenda no kuntere nkinzo kimanyire I don't like kujura mundu bandura kabinangu bandira
akora ho sometimes zikatito
gonze nako kabina kange I don't like
ati nyo kugamba ejo zaho nkaba nina sickness netalibanisa doctor yangamba wewe muisikie tugenda kutere nkinzo za kabina nkamugambo nkamugande kande kanyamugambe enkizo yokwenda kutera kabina kuti mwine mbazi kukusobora kulaba mukono hano
bayinagura mbibaze kusinga by the way yona by the these days embaze kusinga yona bakagara yokurabya hano
nyamugamba maidi yo mukono gwange gunuguro ho cyali ndabya hano mbaza kabina kange niko tagenda kurora
do you know initially buli abana bateraga enkinzo namuna barwaraga muno enkinzo nizibara mazo kabina
I have my friends here, I have my gundi, my aunties
baine ebyo
no bazeto badimpo bishi something like about them or something around there ezo ebineba habu binaha babinira kim because of enkinzo banya bazetageza kwini
bataraba sajjango ababyende ebina noromu nekina kikakabina
nanka iwe bino byenda
wanka itana ho makina kiri kiraira
atalo holi kuba aine kinakya yewe ni mumanya musajja kumwenda ekina ntamanya akasanga nanu
ati kankakozi ekine ekyo ati bokujwara nka body shapers ezo tikizoka
bizoka kyonga kisigigiro omuntu oli confident ha omanyali maba iski tuli very confident
nkayiwo
ndi very confident ni manya nyowe runo rugwe ndujuwaire kikuja kije tinkufayo obo otekerezeki ndujuwaire nyonye bwe hali mundabulamu wewe nyumire mbu ningenda so tuine yaba kujwara ya de like alima bako tina nibekandi bajware bitete yabini just because tibakonda kujwara legging ebina bikole bizo kyonkali hakijwara tokabaro najwana alibata kurungine wekina no kirura kera biro
bageta is it overconfidence by namuli
ngwa overconfidence that is self love
around by the way let me tell you nyaba sikiba kira kuno but I always tell them omwisiki bokuboina makudde muketa kabasto tiniko bayira bakyalo butaiti obo butete obuli taiti bweganyira sigara no jwale biki are bitisha tebikoto
nikikugwa paka
nikinyirira atato kuzana omwisiki inenda ndiyale timunyuma I'm telling you timunyuma
atinege niyo beta body shaming murujuko
nyoba commenting amuna inanka stop body shaming girls but I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah, sometimes by the way mengo is meant for some people, alimu is meant for some people. But kanga it was just because we
get very confident.
ni ngambaro no jalo jwara
omukazi oli wa mazaara 3 ekidda kikaguruka yo ira okyayenda manya obukukwa bizinu muzeta muta nagania ntazi muzeta bat jump shoot atuko really you look weird
kugambire
okay kale gwandu wako niyo bode enibaze giteba ibaite sale endeze zisa
emaze eriyo kyonka birimba katulechande kyo gamba mbogenda ati nuko kuba ngo yoli mukoto mukatugeza ati yadda bafumbo muliyoko musayija akwenda gena mujimu jima gieganya takwenda kwimba biyoma aliyo kine kizire tugenda mu irwa mukazi tinyina kabina butugenda mu irwa amasaju gawa
ibaje oire expensive
that is true love
ejo nanka ejo bagita bat bibie tinya bit night bibie
baina manika bagita mu something like kibana
baite gere expensive ekolebwa ababede
eri kind expensive at least muzisonde muri meta
ekolebwa ababede kyonka amazima gali you need to know your body kwekenge ukenga amazima gali nti ati nyo bukundisho ti ati no muzaka amazima ile kundisho kugambe nanka yona mudagona kugurukire guti titu kubajerega
sometimes imbalona but kind of course na nyonde muisiki nengamba bayo kanshulere
no titu kubajerega that is the fact mukenge know yourselves nibyo nkinga gamba Jeni hano ni mugaje nekidda kya kutandikire guruka yo nja kujerega wesereke work upon yourselves.
By the way, I simple remedy. Oli bakwa na that slim they are good. Fune genda mkatali hard. Ofune darasi na nke tangahuzi, niye tangahuzi ne baba. Tangahuzi, ofune galiki, ofune lemon, ofune honey. Ebi ebintu otandike obi blending akurungi obitobose. Ego sa bokuba no linasobola like you know bubikuba biri bibisi bikuba biri bikambwe muno oli bakuba nasobola kusobola bitokosa na bikula mu that you know tea sometimes we get a herbal tea no nywanga morning evening amasaji sui ngagenda
anti ati nobuzibo bundi ekintu kyenkira kugamba nabasiki abandi ebyo asa kubikora kyonka bahindure n'endya enkwenda kusoda
hati ni wakimanyire mbunya wembira imu ni India
kwenda kasoda akakoka kora bati oteke munanga mbaenda kukabuzoro misi yakoragana yafire bamwita bat Jovia oli bamwita Jovia
atino oli bamwita space ya Friday
iba kwa maize
yeah I want water actually because I have
ona maize
dry cough gali warm
oteke mu disposable
kugambire
India
nyawe
okusanga omwana obusiki kulise ebitakuli as your main food
nyoka ngambire Julius eketaga na kunyaumere nyawe kyonka metabolism yangu ijuka tuba twina like these blood groups alio blood groups nisobora kulya ndakuruga mpika ati nyowe India nyine nambali mpika aho ni banko mere ntaga na kusimbuka kugoya dendile tray
oli ya muno
nyoni ya muno
egenda kemere yawe
egenda munda
mwaka kada
muno negenda mkulungene sokani mbyama hao nago kwehindra ntagaini
wonder shall never end noli ebitakuli nkabinga
ati nyowe ebitakuli nsakulya nyine senene nyone ebitakuli nyine senene
ebitakuli nezende
ati nyowe nyine emikubi yanga mulingo nkegenda tingi gaitaga chanko bugamambu buli mukubi ngulise kasangira ebitakuli mbilya na pasted meat ene nyama y'omukaro nesenene aho nomba ni manyandire kitakuli kyakora kyangendera omucheri ne kitoke bijankoko era maybe stew eno muchomo aho niho bandi bigendera then akahunga ne bihimba
akahunga posho
tinkenda ne nyama nywaka hunga by the way yande ne binyowa tinkali
kanda akara kunkenda nenchu mansa ibuli byokulya byonoli
byokulya byonambiya biri atanyo bunda banyaliro even snails
okabiryanka
nkabiriyo ko Chinese restaurant
nyamirundi nyakagenda mu Chinese restaurant ebyo nkabyanga ndiayo noodles
atino iwo bali kubanyirembo snails are very very delicious
no I can't eat
you can't eat but you know that they can serve atino they have ever served me pork etakuzoka nkazine zanye bifi baba servingira bigulukire bite buli just a piece cut it's the same way they can serve snails otabikenge
and it is okay you can eat them otabikengere but the moment you understand ijuko mutima guli kugamba kibuhanga wangi
tigiye kuruga yinyo kugambire
so I think that is always the biggest problem when you understand it kino kitaninda
but me I have actually I've ever even eaten there are some frogs is eaten someone was promising me, Claire, I'll take you to a Chinese restaurant. You eat a frog. It is nice because we akagenda China kwa yekaleyo muno and he learned. So bunyagezere mwana wekikere batakindete kinankire kikina huko bugamba binde bigaragamba byaki bakakindete kiri very well prepared. Nikinura
buli nsi nebyayo ati you see for ati nyite muri ensene nyaba tensene nenkazanga mayane ensu
ati nikugambire
kuli ebinanka kulia ebi those insects I cannot
kati nikugambire there are some guys abali outside okuno mugamba egundi ensene
no you can pass
na hanikira kimu
yeah it's okay you can pass
na yangira kimu na gamba me to babeta bugs. They don't call him actually insects. No, bugs. Me, I can't eat bugs.
Mwana nyatinja ebinanka timbiria buli nyali ndikyali mtonyali against enene nenso nazo msakuja bataro ngati baito bibuka byaki
wense enene zendera kimu kandi zine za street zikandema. These people prolong the enene
no babitekamo mbazi babitekamo mbazi and people were very many complaining about it nibibases nanka byabarumi agenda nibibaharukia
nkazigura nyaziri yaho zandema nyagamba itumye wemere yange yinjere makasete kange nyazikwata nyazishokinga mu maisi nyazaka nyazikaza mfo some good hours nyaje nyazikunya nyazihamya zigaruka mu zisika byaka nyaziri yazona nizisana zitaira mu bire ebintu ngire babaye batayire nyazira nizigenda
kike kunyumira
ikinyumira
like what did like mungo mojo bakuba na kudatinga ekyaina kukolera
nyonyumira muno kumpamparinga. I love to be taken as a baby
yo kumpamparinga biraho
nkwenda anti nkwizira ndi mline nyende msaja kumpamparinga dating ni mtunao kutunuramba. I just imagine things you are doing to me like behind doors.
No, but I want to understand what is being romantic into msaja onali romantic
msaja romantic ni msaja kufa muno halikazi waye what she's thinking abikibi yakora amalibatiro gaye like not kumulibatira ho muno 24/7 naenda ku making sure mukazi wangu ono tali mu mihande mikyamu na mpulinga close.
Isn't that being too
mbanyanga possessive?
No banki yete kuba too much on you.
Wakati now those men they say they are
controlling you.
No, that there is the difference in controlling and the being possessive of someone. Omuntu controlling anaona kugamba don't go this side. Tinkwendo gende kuno. Tinkwendo jwale kino. But omuntu onali like loving and romantic niwaja kugamba babes. Jwale kyokula no yenda you're comfortable with. I'm fine with it. No na kutelana kugamba ongambirega you're going with your girls outside or either ngambe go genda out let me send you some money to use either when you guys are done muja kunterera nkoleki nije then omusajja ali controlling ni won ogenda nka mbanga na banyali banka nije nyananyo kuba kwigamba nakondereza nambalo genda angena na banyali ngo otagenda
okwendo na awulireki
ojwairege ki today babes nomugamba wewe enjoyirege kino either nomusindikia some pics
viewers tuwenda muno
nomusindikia nomoleka babes either ati mubana batatu abagwira their ladies thongs nomusindikira akaisa nomoleka baby that I think can fitting rege kurungi na appreciating the work of his
that
hands.
Is being romantic
na appreciating this guy abana appreciating all the things omukazi we byamukolera bacteria babes olirege muno. Let me say something.
Akukaguza olireki akuba kwere sente
anti hura nakugamba babes wakalire no let me send you something nakusindikira.
But may I hate it with when a girl asks me what have you eaten, have you had lunch?
Atina lona nyo
if you ask me that send me money then
atina okura nyo omusaija but man like we are dating and are in that lineage of a man I want tiki mpaka na to be the younger kuterera akasimu katinga tugeze yo it's you ningamba Julius like oba babes oba musakomi nambaraga muko yeta enene magikuba fitting no nikukabuza ningamba baby how is work ningamba maybe work is not going as so in a day let us wait kile nabakira awera yo nikukabuza how are you, do you want anything for drinking, have you eaten? I can bring for you something or maybe I can order for you takeaway on my money as long as that man is pleasing me mulingo kankwenda.
So you have ever taken the money out on your money?
Yeah.
Mirundi nyingi?
Yes, so very many times.
Hey. Bite nyona
nyo kati kumanyisa ambo omusajja ali stingy nyo I will take you out no I take men who will give me
nyaro na nyo mukazi yantwaire out but the truth is akantwara nyaba nindi bati ntali comfortable ni musasira no that's the fact ni musasira ga ningamba nimpura nenso ningati kuli obusente bwe
hati nijuka bobawe hati nyowe if I have a man just know you're eating on your money you have decided to give you on your money ezompa nizompa erizo nyagamba musajja wange ono kankoleke kamutwalawo ha sente za yeza
okumugarulira bakieta
give away
Thanksgiving baina mulingo bakieta mu corporate world community what kugarulira community kumugarulira
kugarulira musajja ningamba you know baby you've been doing for me so much stuff but what have you called don't expect me to do for you those things unakuba nokolaki naiwe no jole kyambu you know I'm care
aro kubata kubikora ata kubikukolera bait noenda kunko kumwegesa kumole kyanta abasajja bakora bati
iwe ati no juja sikankugambire abakazi abaliyo omulaite ka bitu byogamba kamwegesa abasajja banyu ebimu kuwenda you're just going to break oja kubonabona no breaking to an extent where yabo mwegese ajagenda abikolera omuntu onti manye kyo kwenda go look for that man otagenda kwegesa ayayegerera from their uncles otagenda kulemera kwegesa kengere
aro mukazi aka video nkaroze ga internet aho na gambo agenda ga date no musajja akamutipinga emitwaro 2 emitwaro 10 emitwaro ingazi mulekera ati is it a must into buli mukazi gokogenze na wa date mpako ina mutipinga
it's not a must nja kubaza according to me tinduga muka ntena mu Sente kubugamba ziri aho mitwaro 2 roughly kulibata kugenda mbongene no musajja wewe okulola these days oboko when you have a lot of people batakwenda niba kuplotingira by the way there is I just had a story actually from that friend of mine Ogwada Afrid she told me there is a girl musajja akamleta one Han that's what I heard gayoko some men by the way mwegaruko I'm saying this otanyata kunyihamuka okandeta it is very right omuntu kumwihamuka omugambire wewe nkwenda kukolaki ojonyi him okikengera atalebyo kunyeta mbuja I want to see you okandeta on maybe a hotel like this then tumazire kulya okungamba I booked a room with me ntakengerege no kengambo okuzirigeki
mansa inoenda kugambe from the beginning
muka wewe nkugambe wewe tindi mu mood ndi mu mood za saa zinu zokulya zonka ezo kwandiko kuguru tukozere
so ina kwijo manyire already kyogenda
ekingenda completely if it's meeting you it is meeting you so umisikiba mlesita hano
amazina yemere room no mugamba it is okay
pura it is okay tubingambire geti binyizire bindino mu mutwe mbumbumbu you booked a room for who
you and
since you have very many nkugamba terround so a girl come here baya kulungemere with the guy guy wabu ya mugamba tugenda mu room na ndio mugamba yi bageni manya you had just come to talk to me
Ali brother wow
hura omanye there is a way a man I look at a man with a disgusting face bwaba we have come to meet ijuka abandi tetikiriga mambo all the girls baba like bakomando mlingo kabaita bakomando you may look at me like this no ntekereza mukubandi komando ati nyonsa kubanyizire ni manya motive yange eriyo to go and talk to this guy to manya he may be you know what my serious man then when the jano ngambe bya byagala makwigata appetite sui mulingo kairuka so that's what happened to the girl yangire kumugamba mboyo gezire kunyama musikia mugamba nyewe nzegenta byetekereze ntabyetekanirize timbikengereke gaga byamugamba kubo li hano kagamba buyagenze yakarabiza
atasaswire bi
yamlekera bire yabaira alire neyo musajja zone yazimulekera
no that is not proper
hari n'icyo ngamenya kugamba ntinduga muka
that is not proper but abasajja bakubikoraga
muno
bakubikoraga but may can't do it. You know what I can do ekinyenda nkokora but anyway nakyo tikiri right omukazi tugeze omwesere for a date then akaija along with the friends ekyo kiri it is not right
nyo katika nkugambire it is not right if a person did communicate but me I first communicate ninkwabuza babes should I come with my friend boba talifa nakyo ninkugamba wewe okay it is
but
fine
nakyo tikiri kirungi kireya because amusajja sana osamukabuza akatina kugambira kuswara
bali mabali very audible I had a gwiwe guy inagambaga
baitu munda muli nikijja mutamu sawo ye
hura nagamba hura I had a guy ali very straightforward nagamba I want to see you
anta obatiito
your friend otamu
abo batita kusagamba we wijjawe abokuba
but kind another thing nyabasajja wenye kimitatu kengere nkino whenever I say should I come with my friend mostly on the first meetings a friend has to be there what if you harm me you manyenyo me on my first meetings with a guy and you say mbumanyanga you come
no anti harming you
mugamba should I come with my friend
no.
if not
anti what you do okumekika rukyomanyira at least ekikaro kinti kiri private like at least kiro abantu bangi bakandi baraba obikibiki you are not going to be isolated
omanyire let me tell you one thing omanyire in a distance of someone picking you from your home either abamu ba intending to drop you from home a lot of things can happen
no younger dropping you know younger
omanya a lot of things can happen
no the truth is to some of us abagira mu ensoni I may not be comfortable with you coming along with your friend
actually me
can you imagine
what is the mission is she can be on her phone I can attend on you like this simple kurungi when I'm not actually
obo nimbaze bigambo byange benkwenda kubaza nawe ali aho nabiho
I give you my ear like this alinga hala like alida hard most of our friends batusembera
ko can't be comfortable with that
ali nikyo ngambege kinyaga me I move with my money kandi nyo umange zero na date just because imbutinye eriam Kengerek, mbangezo na date I don't expect a man to give me money except kiringo omanye there are some men abaja nagamba you know we have different men but aba like katugeze they have dropped you either kumugamba which have reached my time to go home na kugamba let me give you some money for your time mubire bokoze kibomperize to come and meet me na kuhireyo nkugamba like 200 100
that is very
just
okay.
like appreciating your time not me asking him.
That is very okay because me even when I meet you for business meeting maruka titere maizi you must spend my time there when to meet you yes so no muisiki na it is understandable Kama you made kale kakaboda
men are different
leka kubaliza mu prices enda irangu mitwara abiri
anti kugambire me because men have encountered mostly the minimum it is 100 just appreciating my time can intasabiro bangambe just blessed there
when you talk like that abakazi kabara bihiru oitirana bara because
bali yo kan kangambire it's just someone's luck by the sometimes it's just someone's luck or something that guy aku amperize like 100 came just because he's appreciating my time na sango nina mweza 20
abandi baine bisirani
by the mugende munabo abamu mu nyanja okwo you go shower swim either mukozese you know barweto rweza we have rweza kayayana ebyo mugende mugambe yo aunties to shower you that my aunt anyenda bichaive
ataho no tuli
niyo mbagambira bora bageze ka date no busajja don't ask for money except bora no manya iwori oli wa business zinu business ngiro gikenga kungamba business ya oli wa business aho ndo kusobola gamba inanka ibo
ati okara story yaganya kozere jeri omusajja yahiro musikise
mtwale satu manye mtwale ebesa satu ati bora no kyala nyomba inegeje ya TikTok yewe mtwale
msajja na wakazi muyao
yamkolera na video yamtekaona akaisani yamugaba mwisikiwe ngakoze sente zange za transport emirundi ebiri emitwale ebiri yabandize ne mitwale ebiri yagarukenize mitwale ne sente zange ezo zikunduma at least zingalulise
let's be realistic hano omusajja bokubo kimanyire abokuba kakugambire kireya when you meet a man mind zao for the very first time zikugambira onto omusajja ontinja kumwenda no bwara akora ata okay tinja kumwenda hati bokikenga gayo nutojja kumwenda why do you go ahead kutwara sente ze
katale bintu biko okala but according to me by the one kalema even to meet with someone if I don't like them kandema you can meet with someone mbukanye kake. You know some girls they be like kanye kake just because the guy has money. Nyo ya even if you have your money.
Sente biro binukire yaba.
Makweka katika.
Biro binukire yaba kazi bakudatinga ganda abasajja bakusana ebiwayizikwe bakusana bata wa sente.
They might have even friends abakudatinga such a kind of. But sometimes abamu aliho kweyendeze ekintu kya ekizike kyaye na kienda.
Omwisiki omusajja.
Love is, you know.
That's not love. That is business. Let's not pretend. That is business, not love.
Ati kamba kuze mukwenda mugabe mbana abantu ababi mbubo tubagire abakubenda nkugambye ali mabakubana bebenda bya nyini true love ya desente chakozire itaizire.
In most cases I think
wakala omukazi wakapera.
I get your love.
Kapera gira sente.
Ukutaka kumwenda usente. But I'm talking about a girl like you hamyaka yao. Okendo musajja. 60s ala tunaisana atyo. Is that love? 90% of the women
is not love.
That's business.
90 is not love. Well,
you understand? Hati omuisajja oli nyonka muhagire kiyakozera.
Okay, kusaba kyogana mu muisajja.
Iyo kimanyira araba isiki biro binakwija nakuyo sente naga kankikule kikwandikiza ndi level zakyo. Na kikozeka nanka urugeregere izoru.
By the way nyowe.
In fact abarana bandi bagende bakomedi emitwale 3. Of course Sente ntito definitely. Baitu ulikwenda kubunyaza kumolekya kumusiza.
Another thing aliho tukiriga mtoja kusanga omusajja akwe pulinga ina Land Cruiser ajja kusaba emitwale 3. Kikusinzira omusajja ono sente za hizo nambalazi hirege. Abamu nabo bali kubiddo yade bakuba babasikire maka sente kabo kabasindikira. Bali kubi. Ati no ajja kusindikira ka sente namanya we kangene ngole nyumirwe. No kaliya.
Nyowe kankugambire kintu. Oyireho gamba nti ati some of us habano gabara kurura bata amahule gara kusoma ogata. Kyonka nyowe ndinka abandi.
Ati nyowe kugambire sente za abandi.
Nguza kuzimuyawo. Nyosa namupangira
transport nyakaja nyowe okurura hano.
Ojja kufa kubi.
Muniva kubinta. Batu kanisa bekiganyiro.
No sawa kiganyiro ki.
Ngamba cyali nganyira.
No sawa kiganyiro ki. By the way kambagambire if women knew nti ekimuba mukozire ekyo tikiri kitwara vara sente zaidi.
Ati nukamusegese.
Bazo hulire. Muba mutupanishingire emotionally, physically, omusajja akuhereza sente. Na yitegeka nainzize umubiri gwe gwesetinga
nigutekereza the other thing
na kulindirira. Do you know that such a kind of punishment yokuba murabize?
Ati nyoka nkusekese mbanye ndakugambira kana akandi nkabandi hoko ndiyo ko nkabandi muyenga by that time ogo gayo ba akabaliwa around here in Hoima kati juka some people you know sako oliyoko abantu bakumanyire utabamanyire kati guy knew me nakaga na rasta zangu mimi nikajikani jaga sitas yate yangamba Claire we have a house party I wanted you to come and pose as my girlfriend nyamugamba kidi fine amalokole sindike transport ati ninyo muntu nakuswa kuba hano nkabanyi na program egama njagenda bukaika bwire nko ati nunketera akagamba
okay wa
nyeti kyagenda yoko kambya byamambe kiki wewe nkufaki ati nugayona buyantaide simu mudu zizange zogenda zikaba ziri very low then kyankanyi namukala akagamba batu sagenda let me go ko nyikaire muno amukahano let me go ko ndi bato nyamugamba you send the money gaya sindikira mana kasindike percent za uba kwa mdaro kumni kichweka buyaba ina rabido like 2 zikabobanka 5 minutes nkabangenze kushawarenga ati nijuke simu yange zino iPhone sometimes zinakune nyuma hano namba lo migaye nizigenda mu gundi ati ninyekaraga mno ningizane sai dane nyeba yongo nkozekeki biteire gaye na tele simu tekwatika na tele simu tekwatika nde yamanya ku transport ngenda kona giria nagera na nyiga zino code
jana
Airtel ijuka baine code ya Airtel ibamiga nekane kuolekea hano inakuteka mpine sente za hizi mkarukire kuti inakuteka
nanyeyo nyenda kubikora
inakuteka sente za hizi mkarukire
nanyeyo nyenda kubikora
nyakwata na nyari kunyeze kurungia ro nanyaga mu unit nyakwata nyaziteka message ngazikora nyazigazayo gawa abana ntele simu I called your phone simu ya otagi kwata nyamugambe simu yange kutagi kuwata kimaise goteke mepini byawe Uwo manyotangu mbareganye ne king.
Ataba inaenda.
Yangamba my friend is the one who told me to do so. Nyamugamba okay you go and tell your friend to pose as your girlfriend.
That guy was also but auntie no, I'm telling you to girls baira ba transport money.
Banye transport money ndire nyingi.
Muleke kupanishinga.
Chali
Abasite emotionally.
Munganyirege. Baitu. Transport money. Abakota joka atabala murundi gombo kwa nogenda. Newe libata olole transport ege mulingo nkeruma gispendi.
No kikusigikira.
No
kikusigikira ati tugeze musika kusako bana ruga masini. Ati nyonko kumutabara it is quite expensive kusinga we kutemba emotoka akaija. You understand?
Naite kwali oborana oraka na transport kandi hali ngenge urwere bange bisigaye kubuza yo mutwaro. Ati ne transport eno kangere heyo urwere wange mawe mbe bayira bali banagenda gwa kandi alisindikira bait aliho sometimes omuntu bakusindikira transport omuntu gumu nogiri. Naga kana kusindikira gwa kandi nabo nogiri. Naga kana sindiko gwa kusatu. No ija. By nemiti me kwisa netegi nyoga cannot abantu nikonga mabega yakama abantu bakana make a note kumanyire nyewe I stayed ko with actually takamiti kagano ku meeting nambali yakundira bojenya I'm very sorry you guys I'm very sorry I don't know because I actually even look enabeka mbra ngayo go byanse ndikiraga sent ijakure kana sindike sente stari goma kuba mtwali 5 mtwalenga 15 2 bacho basindikira sente niyo gwasobolaga kuterera kizibu na iruka nabaha taka moga ya dekisi ya dehaga mwakomere mbikorura ngoborura mu rule hawo ndumuti utaka muzaga kitu kyo kana kusindikira sente nkwanda je kire malundo nja kuija but mbaye nyenda kinu nakinu alo bino bimisingaho nkwanda kusoka bimaliza ngo kina gamba okay let me send you send obimaliriza
cyara kaba nalemeraho
cyari gayo gakalemera for good months actually was it a month yeah probably even at this time ya kubena kyaro manya I don't know how other people are built
ataliye akajasa kakating of communication
no my phone simu yange bakagenyi baho umuntu iwe
number yabo
bakanyi basimu ati no by that time nambe banyibire simu because sometimes when you recover WhatsApp I remember number staizira number ita system kana mlingo kayabaire da
ukawatagi saving ile
mlingo kayabaire mbu
you are not saved now
mlingo kayabaire mbu he was this person I wasn't interested in by the way
but umuntu gokubutali interested utamwina mu interest ukuriye sentences zake abakazi ali umuntu gotaba interested in no molekeza ki I'm not interested in you nalemera for God's sake blocking
even if you block them nakuteleza nambe nagaba please unblock me cut me if there is that thing of let me even actually send you this intersavidia why don't I use the chat minyali fera munako ruhakasa kwa nwande tire go mugisa go gamba mbo je inywe
munu wajja kugaiga
tere kiri ko bugamba enkoko iziraho munje wagibinga genda yayanga wagibinga genda ekigaruka okiki
okusana nkoli agambire enexagati neighbor aine bitoke kuli
kiyagwa mwayo
yagagwa kinagakulu atakikolere
kifokera kiyaye kigwire lost and found
tumalize show
so mkwani
mami akizide
mami wangali up and down
ale kuterekera
but she's going to get better she's a strong woman
alinka
baida akaseka yanga bite mwana iwe what's wrong with you ebigambo byokubazanya mugamba
ashayo nakagiro kandi daddy
kumaya wanapaki boy
iwo olibanga ndegoli mukuonga
ohagamire
oli mukuonga ozira engabi utaga biri byogamba
mama wange nibanga mrege yangamba mukuonga
oli mukuonga
ngezeke nyabuza mama wange nyabuza na sister wange bangamba
oli mukuonga ate oli na badoga ta mukuonga
ati ntakugambe badoga ngobani mweta brother wa
ate oli mukuonga
naka batamanyire mbu nta mukuonga yagamba nyaka itu
oli mukuonga biri bageno mu boro manya biki mukuonga
bya confusing nga jukala ataba buongo na
bakumukuonga kale mwebale muna baikali ni mutonda baira ba subscribing ha channel yaitu Kitara TV
mutuyambe nokufuna ibara
mutu follow mutuhereze na ibara lya show
tukyali staka na ibara
mpora kale mwikale kurungi every single Wednesday tubaho was right bituba tulozero ko ebyo batorozere na sometimes biturabiremu tubisharinga nainywe personal experience nayo no yegeraho so mwikale kurungi kireba mufollowing ayeta Clear Me nyowe 1 okatetinga nankabata kusa kutaginga
okusobola kontaginga
I wanted nkabanye ijomba ngenda kutaginga mu video ere bigambo bya Jane I felt to
okutaza utazama noto za Clear Me okuteka opa then noto za Clear Me either maybe when I'm not in the people maybe someone oja try
kan mubai
Kitara TV Kwegesa Kumanyisa.